Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install EXE apps and games on Android. So if you want to install PC apps or games on your Android phone, in this video, I'll show you how you can run the EXE files on Android step by step and easy. So first, you need to download the right tools. First, you can install the apps you'll need. For basic EXE files, you can use Wine for Android or EXE Gear, and for extracting files, you can use Z Archiver. So in here, I'm going to just search for the Z Archiver, for example, from the Play Store. This one, you can just install it first to your device. So once it's done, you can just open the applications like this. You can just click on OK, allow permissions to access the files, and then you can just click on the plus icon in here and choose the file. So if you use Wine or EXE Gear, it will create a Windows-like environment on your Android, and you can just locate your EXE files and launch it directly. You need to know that not all EXE files are compatible. Mostly works with older PC app. You can use this one here, for example, the Z Archiver. I'm going to use it to extract PC games. So for EXE game installer, you can extract their files using Z Archiver and then run them using an emulator if needed. So you can just tap on this one, click on a file in here. Let's say I'm going to go to the you can just search the file, extract it. So you can also copy game data to emulator folders. Some PC games can be played with emulators like DOSBox for MS-DOS games or SCUMVM for classic point-and-click titles. And that's how you can run EXE apps or games on Android. Drop a like if this helped and comment the game you are trying to run. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!